Hey guys, greetings. Late this evening, there are maybe a couple hundred people gathered here at the Supreme Court tonight as word has broken out that the court is preparing to overturn Roe versus Wade. And because this is breaking news, I thought I should bring you out here live. So feel free to share this with your friends. We are live at the Supreme Court tonight, late at night, and there are quite a few protesters out here after word got out that in a leaked document that the Supreme Court was planning to overturn Roe versus Wade very soon. Now, let me grab my other camera while we're here. So I'll have more video of this tomorrow. But for now, I wanted to show you what I see. Hang on a second, guys. Come on, get out of here. There we go. Okay, sorry about that. So let's go around. Yeah, someone's going to get fired for this leak. That's without a doubt. A draft decision of the Supreme Court, which called on a 5-4 or 5-3 and 1 undecided to overturn Roe versus Wade in toto. I mean, just flat out, Roe versus Wade was wrong. That was what the court said, and they are. This means that states would be able to outlaw abortion without a federal interference. So for some states, Kyle, what's up? How's it going, man?
Oh, I'm doing good.
Yeah.
I was wondering how long it was going to take you to figure this out.
Yeah, I knew it was coming, but I had to get over here on the other side of town.
I was like, as soon as it was Tony who was like, I just got a call from Reuters, something is going to fucking happen.
Yeah.
I expected it to be bigger than just the picture of, 20 people sitting at the post.
Well, that was.
But I didn't expect this.
That was an hour ago. So, yeah. All right, I'll catch up with you in a bit.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Other reporters. The police have closed the streets. These are mostly college kids who have shown up. A lot of big organizations called to arms by Twitter. this will have, there was a person from Australia asking what this meant. So what this means is that states will have the right, each of the 50 states will be able to pass their own laws on abortion. Some states will outlaw it immediately. Some states will make it legal for everyone. Be a very big difference between the different states. Now that's what it means legally. Now politically, it's going to be a huge issue in the midterm elections coming up this fall. So it's going to be, you're going to be hearing a lot about this. I was talking to another reporter, Kyle, not Kyle Mazza, a different Kyle, who was actually, Kyle's more, he's still a student, so he's more in touch with all the different protest organizations. And we were chatting, we've been chatting for like the last 2 hours about what we expected to see tonight. We expected to see people come out about midnight, but they got out here even earlier. So Capitol Hill police have already started deploying their crowd control units over there. So Georgetown Law School is just off to my left, about 5 or 6 blocks. That's the closest university. This was likely leaked by a clerk who's not going to be employed tomorrow. Yeah, the leak was interesting. I think the leak was to try to pressure Roberts to work out some sort of compromise. The Supreme Court does change their mind before the court decisions come out. For example, with Obamacare, it was a last-minute change that led to it being ruling the way it did. So this might be what this is all about. The fences have gone up already. The fences went up. The fences went up within an hour of the press story coming out. Leaking documents, yeah. I think like half the people here would probably like it. They're still arriving. There's still more people showing up. Oh, these are the pro-life group. They've shown up over here. I think.
It's not represented in the crowd here tonight, but there are millions of Christians around the country who are excited about it.
Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey!
Yeah, this is the pro-lifers.
Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey! got this side now. Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Roe v. Wade is going to go! Ho, ho! Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Roe v. Wade is going to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho!
All right, everyone, follow me. Here we go. Ready? Here you go to dance. On the grave.
On the pro-life side.
We're gonna dance. Dance on the grave. On the grave. Of Roe. Versus Wade.
He's got a good voice. Supreme Court is out.
I love the drum.
They've got their gas masks. None of them were ready for this tonight. They were expecting a night of just like eating hot dogs and relaxing. Oh no. Where do you guys want me to go?
There are other people.
I mean, it's conversation.
I'll probably be like running around.
These are the pro-choicers over here. The pro-lifers over here. No, there's many more pro-choicers, I guess you'd call them, than there are pro-lifers. But I think they just got mobilized earlier. The pro-lifers are coming out now. Still coming out. So for those who are just joining, a leaked document put out in Politico earlier tonight was a copy of an early draft opinion of the decision on the abortion case. The draft opinion said in no uncertain terms that Roe versus Wade was bad law, and needed to be overturned immediately. They had the support of 5 conservative justices. The 3 liberal justices were opposed, and Chief Justice Roberts had not taken a position. This was a draft. This is a first draft. This is an early poll. This is not a vote. This is not a final decision by any stretch, but the writing is on the wall. And when it got leaked that this was happening, Well, they just came out. People just came out. Now, the actual decision will not come out for 2 months, 6 weeks to 2 months. And there's still time for them to change their mind or alter the vote or rearrange the language so that, because they don't like doing things 5 to 4. They like to do things 7 to 2 or whatnot. So they would rather try to find a happy middle ground where they could have some agreement, but I don't think they will. So that's what's happening tonight. There over on my left are the pro-choice group. The pro-choice group is over on this side. There's the pro-choice, and then there's some pro-life groups over here. There's some people with candles down here.
No, I'm tired. I feel like
The media's over on the right.
so absolutely.
Media's over here.
What is that? What is being a worship? Who is the I still need to piss.
Arguing with each other. More fences going in.
Give me an A.
The court's putting up more fences. A couple hundred. This isn't your normal level of officers, is it? Per night? This isn't a normal level of. No, but you brought extra out, right?
We have officers available.
Yeah. You don't want to talk. They brought more out. Oh, ABC, CBS, NBC, they're here on my left. These are all the crews. Oh, we've got a motorcycle unit arriving now. This is a civil disturbance unit of the Capitol Hill Police. Just more backup. Yeah, there's going to be a mole hunt, that's for sure. They're going to try to find out who this was that leaked this document.
You need a clean.
No, it's not going to get out of control. They're a bunch of college kids.
Olivia!
I mean, I think if these protesters knew that I went to law school with Amy Coney Barrett, they'd probably like come after me. For those of you who are new, I actually did attend law school with Amy Coney Barrett. We were classmates at Notre Dame. So yes, I do know her. I've talked to her before, back when she was a law student. So they're not protesting the leak, they're protesting the decision. No, the signs are, well, their signs are always printed, the pro-life or whatever. Those are the ones they use all the time. There's a few of them over there. There are a lot of handmade signs though. But these people come out here all the time to protest. These guys are out here for every abortion decision, so.
Abortion is violence. Abortion is oppression. 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 Abortion is violence.
So for those who are just joining or just hearing, there has been a leak. A document has been leaked from the Supreme Court. First time in history, or one of the few times in history. An early draft opinion of the decision for the abortion cases this term basically said that Roe versus Wade was horrible law and would be overturned. The vote was 5-3 and 1 basically in the middle, Justice Roberts. That document was released. The wording is very strong against Roe versus Wade. It was released to Politico about 2 hours ago, and well, this has all sort of gone nuts since there. No, a leak doesn't mean it's true, but it's it's unheard of to have a leak from the Supreme Court. It's just unheard of. So Politico, if it was a fake, Politico would suffer massive credibility problems. So I think most people kind of believe that this is where the court is heading. Whether or not this is the exact wording they're going to use, it's, like I said, it's a first draft. But yeah, the leak is suspicious. It's, this decision has much more than just abortion and legal decisions. It has political. This is going to drastically affect the midterm elections. The organizations that support abortion rights are going to be energized and upset. And are they going to come out to the ballots? Who knows? It's going to be, it's a big story. It's a big story, guys. Well, how's it going, Kyle?
I wasn't trying to interrupt.
No, that's all right. I'm still live. Have you found those guys over there?
All the Catholic you folks?
Is that from Catholic?
There's a whole group of Catholic.
These are quiet. That's the loud. That's screaming over there.
Is that pro-life?
Yeah, yeah. I don't know if they're related, but
yeah, no. There was some people screaming over here.
Yeah, they're pretty loud over there.
Yeah, I'm running back to grab a lens because I didn't expect this.
Okay.
I'll be back in like.
All right, I'll see you. So some of the pro-lifers have come down from Catholic University, which is a couple subway stops away. Georgetown Law School is only about 6 blocks away, and George Washington's about a mile or 2 away. What else do you guys want to see? We don't have a helicopter yet. No, it doesn't have to pass the houses. It would then have to pass the different states. So if Roe versus Wade was overturned, each state in the country could pass their own abortion rules. the rules on abortion would be left up to the states. And some states, as you know, would ban abortions immediately. Some states would have abortions for everyone, you know. We would end up with drastically different rules in all the different states. It originally was a state's decision, basically, pre-Roe. You know, it's interesting you mentioned Ruth Bader Ginsburg, because she, I mean, at a constitutional level, she actually had problems with Roe versus Wade. She thought it was built on the wrong foundations, and she felt it should have been built more on, like, the 14th Amendment, equal protections, rather than the way they built it, which was sort of on privacy, kind of. It was kind of a strange one. There's the helicopter. So DC police are over there, but I don't know if that's related to us or some other random DC thing. I mean, Ruth Bader Ginsburg was not going to overturn Roe versus Wade, but she did actually write a few times that there was other ways to do it. It was an interesting take. One of those things you do in law school. Want me to come back in the daytime? Yeah, I'll come back tomorrow. I don't know. You know, I saw those people too. The 3 or 4. They're over here. It's like they're like a cover band from the 1990s or something like that. I don't know what the pink wigs are. I don't actually know if they're wigs, to be honest. I kind of like their real hair. Yeah, my wife is very angry at me. So I actually think that cop is on a mission over there. He's doing donuts, the police helicopter. But I am live. You are live right now. This is the steps of the Supreme Court, whatever time it is, about 11 o'clock. I don't know what they're saying. And I'm right here. Oh, abortion bans have got to go. That's what they're saying. Well, these are pro-life kids from Catholic University. Complaining about Joe Manchin. No idea where that came from. How's the document get leaked? Someone who has seen the document, obviously, probably a clerk You have to understand that the Supreme Court clerks actually write the documents. The judge tells them where they want to go with a decision. They write several drafts, the judges review it, they do it, but the clerks are the ones who sit down and type it up and look up the laws that they're going to cite and all that stuff. So, who leaked it? This was a very discreet leak to Politico, so somebody who knew what they were doing. Now, the other thing, it could be leaked by a clerk, but they could have been told to leak by a justice. You know, it could have been like, hey, didn't you go to college with that reporter from Politico? Yeah, why don't you do me a favor? You know? Something like that. I don't know. We'll find out. No one's in the building except the cops. The cops weren't even on the building. They had to declare a tactical alert, basically, and bring out extra cops. Voice amplifier, there is a limit on the decibels that they can use. So if they get above that, cops will intervene. They actually warned them. But there's nobody like living near here. There's no residential area nearby to complain. The justices are at home eating popcorn and watching Squid Game or something. I don't know. Not here, that's for sure. Well, you got to understand, this is Washington, D.C. There are thousands and thousands of interns and college kids who live and breathe politics. And, you know, this is just what they would do. I mean, if you're into politics, if you're into government or an activist or something like that, and a decision like this happens, you get out of bed, you know, you come out. This is what they would do. They like it. But I mean, that said, this is small. This is only what? Guys, give me an estimate. What do you think? 200? 300 people? I mean, if they counted the people over here who aren't doing anything, maybe 300-400 people? What do you think? Yeah. 450. Okay. Getting prices right on me, okay? 451. 200? I think there's more than 200. Maybe. The police are behind the fence line. You see those guys up at the Supreme Court in the white? That's the Supreme Court police. And then the roads are closed by U.S. Capitol Police, which is a much, much larger police force. And they've got a CDU team, a civil disturbance team, activated down there. Oh, so they did release the name. It was a clerk. Told you that. I thought it was a clerk. All right, guys. Anything else you guys want to see tonight? I'm thinking I should go home before my wife like disowns me or something. Yes, it was leaked by Sotomayor's Justice. Watch this. Oh. You're gonna have to like go tell my wife though. I tried to talk to the cops. They did not want to talk to me. They were in a very agitated mood, to be honest. All right, we'll walk one more time and then we're going to walk home, okay? If you guys haven't, feel free to subscribe. I'm going to cover this again tomorrow. We've got, let's see, Vice President Harris is coming back to the office tomorrow. Joe Biden is on his way to Alabama, but we're not going to get a helicopter because they're preparing the White House lawn for the Olympic team. The Olympic team is coming to the White House on Wednesday. So no helicopter tomorrow. There'll be a motorcade taking Biden to Air Force One. We'll cover that. And of course, I'm going to be back up here tomorrow morning. I think they have cases tomorrow at 10 a.m. I'm not sure. And I'm sure there'll be protesters here tomorrow. So we will be covering that. So if you guys subscribe, you can see this all. We've got a couple helicopters over there, military ones. Or motorcycles. Okay, guys. Thanks a lot for watching tonight. Hope you guys all enjoy this. I will be bringing you more coverage from the Supreme Court and Washington, D.C. And my wife is getting mad at me. What time is it anyway? Guys, it's almost midnight. I'm going to get slaughtered by the wife. She's going to be so ticked off. I'm sorry, guys. The decision is not out. The decision will come out in 6 to 8 weeks, most likely. Sounds like we got a Huey coming. Okay, guys, thanks a lot, and I will see you soon. Guys, oh, one more thing. I brought my other camera, okay? So you're going to get 4K footage of this. Everything that you've seen, you're going to see a lot clearer in 4K, possibly before I go to bed. if the wife will let me edit videos tonight. All right, folks, thanks a lot for watching. Good night to you all. I will see you tomorrow, though.